Merry Christmas from Calling Levi. We just decided to take a trip this weekend, ignoring the conditions, the weather, the blizzard that they were saying there was going to be. It's just some little blizzard there was going to be. So we decided to just go ahead and jump in the bus and head on down the road so we can go see our friends in Lynchburg, Virginia. So let's go on out and see what's happening out here. We stayed out here last night because they shut the roads down. Some little simple little snowfall had stopped everybody from riding down the street. Let's come on around. Let's go see what fun I'm gonna. Let's go see what kind of fun they're having out here. Oh, here's a trucker. Oh, in case you didn't see, there's a big line of cars out here on the highway on 29, on Route 29. So now we're gonna go see what the guys are doing. Okay, so here we are on 29. This is Route 29, and it looks to me, Al, like there's some pretty bad weather out here, and they're still calling for snowfall until about 10 o'clock tonight. Stephanie would like to start a Red Cross endeavor and try to see if some of the people out here might want to use the restroom in our bus and maybe get a cup of coffee. Just show some nice kindness to the roadsters.
All right, I'm gonna turn it off.
Okay. Stephanie and Sherry are on their way to see if anyone would like a cup of coffee from the Big Blue Bus. This is Route 29 that we're standing on. That's right. No one is moving. We're about an hour from Lynchburg, our destination, and well, there's a car over there that's getting pulled out by another car. And as I speak, my legs are getting wet. See that? That's my coffee cup. Just finished my toasty coffee out here in the winter blizzard.
Yes.
And I don't know. And I really, I don't want anybody to think that this was my idea to come out here because I kept trying to reason. That's Stephanie seeing what's in the road. She saw something in the road. Looks like dirty snow.
We're on a major highway, people. We are on 29. This is like a major highway. And as you can see, there's nobody here.
Here we are going back to the bus. Brian?
Yes?
What is your synopsis on this whole endeavor?
It's a little warm, so we're trying to adapt to that, but besides that,
Got your shovel? Got your shovel. He's been digging people out all morning. Got a good workout. Got a good workout here out here in the blizzard. My hands are numb. Can't feel my hands. Where are you going, honey?
To push a car out of the snow.
We've turned into the Snow Central. That's what we are, Snow Central. We're giving out coffee. It's like a Red Cross. We're like the Calling Levi Red Cross. The guys are getting ready to go back out.
heads are falling on.
They're going back out to wrestle someone out of the snow. So here's our Snow Central gear stuff. I hate that I don't know words. This is the gear corner. They all get their things on. They're getting ready to go dig someone out. Someone just knocked on our door to ask if we could come help. They know that that's what we do because we are the Red Cross in 29. And the rest of us are checking email and sending posts and all that good stuff.
Can I say I told you so? Because I told you so. I knew this would happen. I knew we'd get stuck. No one listens to Ethel. No one. You know, I keep reading these Facebook posts about cozy warm houses and fireplaces and soup, and I hope y'all are having a good time. We are. I like this. I love it.
The guys are deliberating on whether they should find someone else in distress or come back on the bus. It's hard to say. Hard to say. we are, still stuck in the snow. Maybe we'll get a visitor today here in the snow. Visitor here on the blue bus. Anytime. Oh, look who we have here. Sherry's just poking her head out to check and see how things are going out here. Nothing's changed. All I know is it's the wrong way. This is the wrong way to travel. You know, I was just telling Stephanie, I said, you know what, Stephanie, it's a good thing that we packed all of our winter clothes, our ski coats and our snow pants and our gloves and hats. But just the fact that we knew to pack our winter clothes was probably a clue. We shouldn't have come. And yet, here we are. In case you pictured our children sitting quietly in their bunks while we wait along the side of the road. Are you at Rita's? What are you guys getting? You getting some snow cones at Rita's? Isn't this great? Good. Sophie! Sophia, what do you think about this blizzard? Do you think Santa's out there somewhere? Did he bring all the snow?
Yeah, I've been uploading pictures and stuff on Facebook.
Tell me your Christmas wish.
It was snowing everywhere.
It's snowing everywhere? Wow. Always snowing everywhere. Okay, snow plows to the rescue. We got about what? I don't know. Lots of snow. Like, what is that? 8 inches there. 10. We got a nice plow out there plowing us out. And making this exciting. Excitement all around. Excitement all around. Other people waiting to get by. Of course, the question is not if we'll get out, but where will we go once we do? Here we go. Oh, I'm scared. All right, they're gonna check to see if the wheels spin when we start to turn. See, a bus is a lot different than a semi because, once again, we cannot bend in half. Ooh, here we go. We're moving. We are moving. There's a big truck behind us, hoping to get out too. We are moving, people. Now, here goes the big part. This is the big deal part. Thankfully, we've got some those things, snow plows. Oh, look at this. Here we go. Oh, here we go. See all that snow? Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh, bounty. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. We're gonna back up now.
Wow, that's deep, Mom.
Oh yeah, sure is. Sure is. Here we go. Oh dear. That's where we're going, buddy. Off into the white frontier. Guys are deliberating. The little lights aren't twinkling. And we're here at the Shell station where the Brownsville market is not open to customers, unfortunately. So I cannot get some Fritos or Doritos or anything like that. But we are, praise the Lord, able to fuel up after we dug out. And so now the plan is that we don't know what the plan is. Snow has kind of died down a little bit, but here we are. snowball fight. Snowball fight. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, she caught it. She caught it. Yeah. Back at you, back at you. And he caught it. I think it's coming my way. I've got a camera. Ah! Oh, sorry, sir. So sorry. He was throwing a snow. Sorry about that. Okay, yeah. Caged animals. Caged animals. Yep. That's what's on the bus. Some caged animals, everyone. The guys love this. The kids, Ella's in the background in case you can't see her. She's doing a table niner.
Look at Sophie laughing her head off.
There's Abby. Yes, there are kids on the bus and they're stranded.
Snow with the list. No, no, no.
What you doing, Soph? What you doing? Do you think you're gonna get me with Woo! You're a mess. You're a mess, you little monster. Yes, you are. Whoa!